Welcome to Fun with Forms, where we talk about how you can best use Desk Director's forms.
This week, we will talk about form fields, the building blocks of Desk Director's form service. Desk Director Forms allows you to ask various types of questions to get various types of information from the customer.
These question types are called form fields, and you can use them to customize and tailor your service request forms to fit your business needs. Today, we will cover the choice field, where you offer your customers a range of options to choose from. Multiple choice questions allow respondents to select from predefined options rather than having to formulate their own responses. This can make the form quicker to complete, which may increase response rates and reduce respondent fatigue.
Also, by providing a set list of options, multiple choice questions help to clarify what is being asked and standardize responses. This makes it easier to provide the relevant service, fix the relevant issue, and analyze and compare data across respondents. Let's see one in action. We'll navigate to the form editor, add a new question, and click Choice. As with all field types, you first give the question a title. In this example, let's ask respondents which department they work for in a company, so we will title the question Department.
In the subtitle, you can add auxiliary information that helps to clarify to the user what you are asking. Better safe than sorry, let's write "Select which departments you work for" as the subtitle. We will list departments such as HR, finance, legal, marketing, sales, and production. The choice field also offers an other option. When the predefined choices do not provide a satisfactory answer, the user can select other and will be presented with a single-line text box. Unless you have a strong reason to restrict answers to a predefined list of options, you should always include the other option in your choice field type questions. For example, the user might be an employee but work in none of the listed departments, so it is always useful to add the other option just in case. Then there are 3 toggles here at the bottom of the field editor: drop-down, multiple answers, and required. Toggling drop-down creates a drop-down list from which one option can be selected. It is great for conserving form real estate when you have a lot of fields in a form to be answered. You can also pre-select an answer for the user, which can make filling out the form faster. For example, if most users work for the production department, then you could pre-select production. Toggling multiple answers allows more than one answer to be selected. Note that this means that if you toggle multiple answers, the drop-down option disappears because you cannot select multiple answers via a drop-down list. You can also pre-select in a drop-down list too. Toggling the required option requires that you provide an answer to the question before proceeding. And finally, you can reorganize the options you provide by hovering over the options and clicking the arrows to put them higher or lower in the list of options. You can also click the trash icon to delete an option.
And that's how to use the choice field type when making forms in Desk Director.
See you next time for another Fun with Forms video.